Welcome to Tai Chi for Meditators. This routine will help you release physical tension, deepen your breath, and prepare your body and mind for stillness. And don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. All right, so we'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. And as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing, the belly breath, breathing from our center, feeling rooted into the earth, grounding the energy, feeling stable, just letting go of the worries from the day. It's really coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top of the inhale just for a moment. Really feel what it's like to hold on. And then let it out with a big sigh. And feel what it's like to let go. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy. Bring it right into the heart and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in. Breathing out. As always, take as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, sinking the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down. The knees and hips soften. So we open the door, starting off on the path of mindfulness and compassion, path of presence, it's floating up and floating down like you're riding on a wave in the ocean. One more time, opening the door, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up, and then very gently rotate towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. And then going to the other side, the tiger claw. The hands float up, one forward, one behind. Gentle rotation. Gentle stretch. One more time, the tiger claw. Making the tiger claws with the hands. And then this time the fingers keep going all the way up overhead. They spiral out and away from each other. And then down. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, floating down. Silk reeling. Upward spirals. Reeling the silk. Nice and smooth. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction. The arms float all the way up and over, the fingertips point down. They come down the center line and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Really circulating the energy and the blood flow throughout the body, creating healing and vitality. One more time, silk reeling. Downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree, rounding out and soften. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top. As you catch the moon, step in. And then the top hand goes behind the back, just for now. Step out to the corner. The bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. And then circle it around again, toss away. Still breathing. This time the other hand comes back on top, embrace the moon. The bottom hand floats up, the other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving the best you can. One more time, parting the horse's mane. This time, catch the moon, and then we'll make 2 loose fists, and then spin the moon and look behind. One fist overhead, the other by the waist as you gently rotate. And coming back to center, catch the moon. 2 loose fists as you spin the moon, look behind, or just gently to the side. Breathing in, breathing out. One fist overhead, the other by the waist. One more time, riding the tiger. And then parting the wild horse's mane one more time to this side, right out to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And the arms open wide. Then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. The top hand goes behind the back, step out to the corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top. Embrace the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Parting the horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in, breathing out. Once again, take as many breaths as you need. One more time. Parting the horse's mane. And then this time, catch the moon, then make 2 loose fists, and then spin the moon, look behind or to the side. One fist overhead, the other by the waist. Circle it back around, catch the moon, spin the moon and look behind or gently to the side. We call this one riding the tiger. Gentle rotation, it's really wringing everything out. One more time. And then parting the horse's mane one last time, right out to the corner. And step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down, leaning over to the side, going up. Circle it around again. Just the arms. Bottom arm floats up, the other hand down by the hip. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping down the ball of the foot. Like you're testing out the waters. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out in front. The white crane spreads wings. Step back in. Stepping out, breathing, really feeling the sensations. One more time on this side, the white crane spreads wings. Beautiful. And then go ahead and catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon. We'll switch sides. Bottom arm floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, and then once again, just the arms, taking your time and breathing. This time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down right out in front, tapping down the ball of the foot. And then bring it back in, catch the moon. The white crane spreads wings. Very nice. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time. And this time, step in, embrace the moon. The arms float out to the sides, and then making 2 loose fists. One arm comes up and over behind the neck, the other behind the back as you gently rotate. Then coming back to center, the arms reach out to the sides with 2 loose fists. Rotate the other way. Drawing sabers. Once again, rotating, just bringing the arms down and up as much as you can comfortably. One more time, drawing sabers. And the arms reach out to the side, the fingertips drift towards each other. From here, the arms open wide, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down, the palms face down towards the earth. Then the hands go forward as the hips go back, palms facing down, all the way out and around, rising back up. The pebble in the pond, sending waves out in all directions. Once again, sending out love and kindness to all beings. Letting it ripple out into the universe. The pebble in the pond, one more time. And then from here, the arms float up in front. Step one foot in, the hands come in towards the heart, and then we'll push right out to the corner. Once again, push and pull. Drawing in, pushing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time, the palms face up and the wrists cross. The hands come in, and then push back out. Pull in, palms face up, the wrists cross. The wrists separate, draw back in towards the heart, and push. Apparently close. Draw the hands in, the palms face up, the wrists cross, the wrists separate, draw in, and then push out one more time. This time, step the front foot in, the hands come back in towards the heart, step in. This time, we'll push right out to the corner, push and pull. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow, one more time. And then this time, the palms face up, the wrists cross. And then they separate, draw back in, and push. The hands draw in, palms face up, cross the wrists, separate, draw in, and push. One more time, apparently close. Draw in, palms face up, cross the wrists, they separate, then draw back in. Push out one more time. And then step the front foot in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up. One hand on top of the other. And then this hand here floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, scooping under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and press out. Sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, like bamboo in the wind. Just feeling into the body, feeling into the breath, and then feeling into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.